Hello! We've prepared some fresh updates for you on GuildBro. Let me tell you what's new. Recurring events. Now you can conveniently set up recurring events in the schedule section. How does it work? You create an event, for example war. Set how much time in advance the bot should remind you, for example, 60 minutes. That's it. The bot will automatically post this event to your Discord every week. Displaying unregistered players. Now you can easily check who is registered for the event and who hasn't. Simply click on the event and select the magnifying glass icon. A list will open up. You'll see how many players of each class have registered, and how many players haven't registered at all. Very handy for raid leaders and organizers. Penalties for missing an event. Now you can easily assign DKP penalties to everyone who missed an event. How does it work? Click on the magnifying glass on the event. Go to the non-participant tab. Select all guild members. Enter the number of DKP for the penalty. And click apply. The penalty will be automatically applied to everyone who missed the event. DKP Decay. Now you can enable automatic DKP Decay for players. Here's how. Go to Settings, then to Roles and DKP. Choose the desired guild. Make sure to check the box for Enable DKP Decay System. Enter the amount of DKP that will be deducted. Choose how often the deduction will happen. For example, every 3 days or once a week. Enter the number of days. Then click Save. The first DKP deduction will happen tonight. Subsequent deductions will happen automatically based on your selected interval. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our Discord to stay up to date with all the latest updates. Thank you for choosing GuildBro.